Good morning, everybody. Well, it is another Saturday, and guess what? I'm in the shop. So, looking over here to our stockpile, we have only 3 screens left to go, and so that means I'm getting myself in gear and have already sketched out the next one for our next screen. So this, of course, is going to be our deer. Now, the idea behind a lot of this stuff is the fact that I'm going to have some fauna, some animal from the local area. Ooh, it's a little hot. And some type of flora. So most likely, I may end up putting a couple of magnolia leaves on this end of it. The idea was just to, again, have some animal and some plant from down this way. You can see the outline is pretty simple. I think I've explained it before, but what happens is I have a 1950s projector. I throw a picture up on the wall, and then I go out and trace, and that becomes our deer. So the process is rather involved. So what's happening now is I am actually lining this. I have it is a fine tip, but it is a blunt chisel. And the idea is I'm getting myself a line, so when I pull this out of the pitch and flip it over, I'm going to use different ball stakes and raising stakes to puff this guy out. That's going to be the initial sinking of the particular metal. Once that's done, it's going to go face down into the pitch, and I will refine all that sinking. Then it's taken out of the pitch, filled up, flipped over, and then the chasing process goes. But this is where it starts. And again, I'm just trying to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what we are doing and how. Incredibly time consuming. I think the turkey ended up taking about 70 hours total, and it's it's tough. It sucks, but the end results are pretty good. I hate that I didn't get any better footage of the screens before we delivered, but don't worry, everybody, we will get some a little bit later. But hope everybody is having a wonderful Saturday, and I will catch you guys a little bit later.